name is Andrew Johnson from Portal, Georgia. I'm using the Sandbaggy staples to secure artificial turf around my sand bunker, not finished yet, and around my putting surface. And here's my bunker. The bunker staples, landscaping staples work perfect. 12 inches long, durable, thick enough to go through the ground and hold it tight, firmly. Perfect installation. And over here is my putting surface that I use to pin down the putting surface and also to install fringe all around. That's my putting surface, 28 by 15 foot. And you add the fringe on it that make it a little bit wider. Perfect. Sandbaggy landscaping staples, 12-inch long, is perfect for this kind of thing. And I thank Sandbaggy for their product. Very quality. Over and out.